is up, guys? Start off with a joke. If an orphan takes a selfie, shouldn't that really be considered as a family portrait?
On this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off, who wants some? I'm fighting for my soul. God, get at your boy. You try to go God, fall back, I go hard. On this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off, who wants some? I see them long, hard times to come.
Well, on a CBR today. How are y'all doing? It's a nice 52-degree morning. It's actually supposed to get colder, but it didn't. I guess it's supposed to get down about 48 or something like that. I really didn't even plan on recording or anything. I wasn't even going to turn the camera on. It's hard to make videos, and I know I've complained about this last year with this windscreen on. That double bubble, man, that way it puts that wind, man, it just creates so much noise. Anyways, so why did you start YouTube? Did you start it because you wanted to make money? Did you start it just as a hobby? Did you start it because you had things on your mind and it's the way to get it off your mind? I would say to most people, if they give you an answer other than making money, they were lying. Most people, not all. There are some out there that, you know, actually started it just to do it. Myself included. Myself, I started YouTube to make it big, you know, make money. Started watching motovloggers, like, shit, I can do that. I got a fucking motorcycle and helmet. And then I found out how hard it was. As in getting subscribers, and like I'm at like 789. I've been stuck at 760 to 80 for I've been stuck in 750 to 760, 780 for a long fucking time. I think I was at 770 for 9 months. And I've been doing YouTube for 5 years, 6 years, almost 6 maybe. Yeah, it has to be almost 6. And that's as high as I've ever gotten right now. Wow, that's slick. But I learned within the first 6 months of doing YouTube how hard it was. And I actually started my YouTube channel as like an off-road channel, you know, riding four-wheelers. I think I made several videos where I actually put one out on the bike, on the Harley. And when I started doing YouTube, nobody wanted to watch Harley content. There was very few Harley people out there making vlogs. Very few. And the ones that were big weren't very big. You know, maybe 10,000 subs, if that. Fast forward to now, There's a lot of Harley channels out there that have over 1,000 subs. Some of them have 10,000 subs. And I kind of feel like, do I make the best videos? Hell no. I mean, my editing isn't super shit. Trying to get this topic in before I hit the highway. Anyways, my editing isn't bad, you know, it's decent editing. I don't think my topics are always the best. When I got my influx of subscribers and shit like that was when I was drag racing, but I don't do that anymore. At least not on the Harley. I might do it again, but that still remains to be seen. I am gonna vlog at this fucking light because I want to get it done anyways. But I feel like I kind of got, like, other Harley channels that were around whenever I started mine, they never made it either. They never got big. At least I would say, you know, most of them. If they were a Harley channel, there's very few of us. They never made it big either. But like nowadays, I said there's lots of Harley channels out there. I feel like us older guys just kind of got shuffled to the back, simply because new people came in, new ideas. You know, you tag everything right. And so, like, I tag my videos. My videos get lots of views over time, but not like when they first come out. You know, I noticed I was looking at them, was like, shit, you know, videos 3 weeks later are up, you know, a couple hundred views, or there's a couple of them that are over 1,000 views that was a shitty topic, was shitty editing, shitty video, but it still got that high views. But back to the original thing, it's like, why did you start YouTube? Did I start it to make it big? I did. And within 6 months, I learned I wasn't going to. So then it just became a hobby. You know, a fun thing. Get things off my chest, shit like that. Damn it, I gotta get on the interstate now. And y'all aren't gonna be able to hear me because the wind is so loud on this bike. I don't know, maybe y'all can still hear me. Like I said, I did start YouTube to try to make it big. I wanted to make money. Within 6 months, I knew that wasn't going to happen. So it became more of making friends, and I made a shit ton of friends. I've lost friends because we don't share the same views. I have no problem telling people when they're full of shit or if I don't like them. I think a lot of people know that about me. I do get tired of doing it. I will take several month breaks because I'm not in it for the money. I'm not in it for anything except for getting things off my chest as a hobby and making friends. I've seen so many people come and go, it's ridiculous. Some people have like skyrocketed in subs and then just quit doing it, because for some people it becomes way too much trying to keep up, and I don't want that kind of stress. I was used to be okay with it. Now it's like I'm just in it for fun. I do want to hit 1,000 subs. I really do. I've wanted to hit 1,000 for the past 2 years and I haven't been able to do it. It really sucks. Maybe this year I'm at 789. Maybe shit'll break loose and I'll get it. I don't know. If I do, I do. If I don't, I don't. But it would be awesome. I might open it up, but I know a cop sits right up here on this on-ramp. Now look at that straight shot. That's Nicole's. I call that her lucky, whatever the fuck them things are called, lucky rag. I still got to get her a bell to put on this bike. I was thinking that was a cop. It looks like a cop. Are you a cop, sir? I haven't seen one in that color. That Charger van, or yeah, that Charger looks like a cop. He's got regular plates, so I guess not. I was riding that Mustang's ass. Mustang did one play. Oh well. I road race pretty bad about left lane drivers. Nicole hates it. She tries to calm me down. It pisses me off. Like, you're impeding traffic. Don't worry about how fast I'm going. Alright, so anyways, back to the topic. I don't know if y'all heard anything I fucking said on the road, on the highway, the interstate, I-70. But I'm about to the house, so I'm gonna end this anyways. So, leave a comment. Tell me why you started YouTube. Tell me how you feel about it. If you made a video similar to this on explaining why you do YouTube, post a link. Let other people see it. But if you haven't, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. The like button really helps out us creators. Go over, hit up my Instagram. Hit up Nicole's Instagram. I'll have them posted somewhere. Over here. Like I said, leave a comment. Alright, that sucked. Usually I can get a pretty good wheelie right there. Anyways, oh, hello. Dream about me, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.